Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and in today's episode we are once again here to discuss a tricky question that are generally asked in the board examinations. But before starting with the tricky question, I request you to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that the notification of the newly uploaded video will reach to you and you will not miss any of the video. And if you have already subscribed to it, I express my sincere thanks from the very core of my heart. So let us start with the tricky question of the day. Friends, here is the question on the screen. The sum of n, 2n and 3n terms of an AP are S1, S2 and S3 respectively. Prove that S3 is equal to 3 into bracket S2 minus S1. So here there are n number of terms, 2n number of terms and 3n number of terms, and their sums are S1, S2 and S3 respectively. So for the first n number of terms, the S1 will be what? It will be n by 2 into bracket 2a plus into bracket n minus 1 close the bracket into d. So this will be the sum of the n terms. Now the sum of the 2n terms, and it is denoted by S2, and therefore S2, that will be equal to, how many terms are there? 2n terms are there. So it will be 2n by 2 into bracket 2a plus into bracket 2n minus 1 into d close the bracket, because these are the number of terms. So number of terms, that is n minus 1, but n here is 2n. Similarly S3, that is equal to 3n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus, here the number of terms are 3n, so 3n minus 1 close the bracket into d close the bracket. Here friends, first we will solve this S2 minus S1. So S2 minus S1 is equal to, this is S2, so it will be twice of n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus into bracket, I multiply by d inside the bracket so that it will be easier to calculate further. So it will be 2nd, it will be 2nd minus d. Okay, now here minus this, so it will be minus n by 2 into bracket it will be 2a plus nd minus d, multiply by d inside the bracket. Now from this n by 2 is a common factor, so first we will take out that as a common factor. So inside the bracket it will be multiply by 2 inside the bracket, so it will be 4a plus 4nd minus 2d minus, here it is 1 only because we have taken out n by 2 as a common factor. So negative sign is outside the bracket, so all signs will change. So it is 2a minus nd minus plus d. So which is equal to n by 2 into bracket, so this will be 4a minus 2a, that will be 2a, and 4nd minus nd, that will be plus 3nd, and minus 2d plus d, that will be minus d. So I solve it further, so which is equal to n by 2 into bracket, this is 2a, and from this if you take out 2 as a d as a common factor, you will get it as 2a plus it will be 3n minus 1 into d close the bracket. Now we have to find 3s2 minus s1. So 3 into s2 minus s1, that will be equal to what? We will multiply by 3 here, so you will get it as 3n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d, and therefore this is equal to what? It is nothing but S3. This is the S3 and this is same, so this is equal to S3, and therefore we can say that S3 is equal to 3 into bracket S2 minus S1. Friends, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like it and share it with your friends so that the notification of the newly uploaded video will get to you and you will not miss any of the video. So friends, once again I request you, like it, share it and subscribe the channel.